Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 1990 Ford Mustang. This is the 7-Up edition, and in 1990, Ford teamed up with the soft drink 7-Up to sponsor a giveaway of the NCAA basketball finals, and this special edition was made. This thing is so cool. Never driven a Foxbody before today. Obviously this is gonna get fixed. It's not completely through the shop yet. They're fixing a couple things. Main one is the tires, because these tires are from 2012 and they terrify me. You'll feel, you might see a slight vibration, but that will be addressed. This one is an automatic. If I'm not mistaken, you could get these in automatic as well as manuals. It's just so cool. Like, Fox bodies are cool. Values have just gone up and up and up because everybody who grew up loving these is finally starting to get the money to buy them. I love the gauges. Oh, it's just, this just screams 90s, and this has gone down as one of the most iconic 90s cars. When people think of 90s cars, the Foxbody is, I think mainly because it was the most prevalent. Foxbodies were everywhere. Everybody had one. This one's really, really clean too. Very clean example. Again, that vibration is purely tires. I love the interior. Oh, it's so crazy to think that this is the 25-year edition. Would it be? First year was 65. Yeah. Wow. And when I was, what was it? 2015 was the 50-year edition. I was 15 years old, about to get my license. Oh, wow. Okay. I mean, this car's almost 10 years older than I am. It's just cool. You know, you have Fox bodies, which are cool, but to have a 1 year only limited edition 7-Up edition, just even cooler. Trackhawk. I wish it was warmer weather so I could drop the top. This is like perfect America cruising. If you want to take over every radwood you've ever been to, this is the car to do it, man. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.